Hey there, students. If you are receiving this video, it's because you've signed up for our alternate unit for Unit 5. Rather than learning about the unit Adolescence and Development, you have chosen and opted to do the Physical Fitness unit for Unit 5. Um, and I won't lie to you, this unit is probably a little tougher than the other one. But you've chosen to pick another awesome unit. Physical fitness is such an important part of our health triangle and our overall wellness. So I'm really excited to have you here, and I'm just going to quickly go over a few of the assignments in this unit, and then you should be good to go. Before I do that, I just wanted to mention here that about a week ago, I was just feeling like in such a funk. I just didn't feel myself. I didn't feel like overly happy. Things just didn't seem to be going well, and I kind of did a self inventory and realized I hadn't been working out and I hadn't been exercising at all. So that was the part of my wellness that was lacking, and I could feel it and I could sense it. So hopefully, as we're doing this, you guys can think of times when physical fitness has been super important to you and how it can improve your life right now. So just real quick, there's some readings. There's actually 3 different assignments in this unit, and then obviously our unit test at the end. And so my main recommendation for these assignments is to just use the rubric, okay? There's some really clear instructions up here, and then there's also a rubric here. This is what I'm going to be grading it based on, so that's where I'd look as you guys are figuring out what exactly you need to do and what exactly you need to have there. Here's another one. How fit am I? Here's another rubric. This one's a little bit smaller. That one's a little bit more straightforward. And then this last assignment, it does not have a rubric, but it does have some pretty specific instructions for you. And those instructions do need to be followed because that's what I'm going to go based on. I am going to try and get IDLA to add in a rubric to this assignment to make it a little more clear what exactly you'll be graded on. So I'll just pull it open real quick right here. So yeah, you can see the requirements, the instructions, and the guidelines here. So this is basically a rubric. It's just not in the unit as a rubric. So like I said, I'm going to have IDLA switch that up and make that part of their rubric for you. So that is pretty much it. This unit's really straightforward. Like I said, you have readings, you have quizzes, and then those 3 big assignments, and then the unit test. So good luck. Let me know if you guys have any questions.